In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a health savings account or HSA with Fidelity. So the first thing you want to do is go to fidelity.com, which is their official website over here. And then the easiest way to go about this is just where it says, how can we help up here, top right. You want to just click here and type in HSA, which is of course health savings account. And then after you do this, you can see it over here under quick links. It says health savings account and then HSA. Click on that. And after you do that, it says tackle health care tax smart. Click on open an HSA. And then over here, it says, did you know you can use health savings account to pay for qualified medical expenses and invest for your future? And then over here, simply click on get started. And after you do that, it will direct you to a account creation. So you will have to basically first put in some of your info. So are you already a Fidelity customer? If you are, click on yes. If you're not, click on no. I'm going to do no over here. And then depending on whether you clicked yes or no, this will change a bit. As you can see over here, it will say, of course, if you are a customer already, you will need to first log into your Fidelity account. Then you'll basically have to fill out the application with information from your existing profile. And usually, as it says over here, they will do it automatically. And then you'll have to begin the process of transferring money into your account. So it's very easy in case you are a Fidelity customer already. But if you are not, as you can see, you'll first need to confirm your identity and employment information. Then once the account is open, you'll create a username and password, and then finally you'll begin the process of transferring money into your account. So click which one is relevant for you and then click on next over here. If you clicked yes, you'll have to log in, but if you clicked no, there we go. Over here, you can just read if you are eligible or not, and if you are, click on next. And after this, there we go, you'll have to put in some of your details, so your name, your last name, date of birth, country, mobile number, SSN, email, etc., your address as well, and then you'll have to keep clicking on next and continue with all your, of course, personal and correct information. And after that, after you put in all your information, you'll be able to basically create an HSA with Fidelity. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.